Hello everybody, all my loyal, faithful subbies. It's been a while, and it's really dark, but so I want to give a shout out. I haven't done a shout out in ages. Tridden, T-R-I-D-D-N. So go check him out. Check out his YouTube channel. He's just started, and really funny guy, and good at editing. I like him. So hook him up. Go follow him. Subscribe. You'll have a good time. And if you can, I've been pushing Instagram lately. I'm loving it. And go follow me at Dlinquencious. Oh, are you kidding me? Ramp closed. Great. I need to go to Salt Lake, not Las Vegas. Okay. Let's see how much this ramp is closed. Here we go. Yeah, getting right back on the freeway. Whoa, that's really wiggly. Whoa. Gonna make me freaking crash. Oh, my phone. Come on, chill out. I'm not driving like a retard just cause. I'm just like in a mad rush. I wanted to say thanks again for everybody for helping me reach 1 million views. I know it was a little while ago, but I wanted to celebrate and do a contest. I'm not going to make it a contest though now. I just want to do a giveaway. I was going to do like likes and subscribe, share this video and stuff, but I'm going to make it easy and just have a giveaway. All you have to do is go to my website and you can enter to win. Just enter your guesses. It's a contest of like 5 motorcycles, startup and exhaust sounds. There's one motorcycle that you would have to guess that has a full exhaust and that's been custom, but it's a super easy giveaway. And I might throw a motorcycle in there that you guys, if you've been following me, you know the bike that kind of irritates me. I might throw a little wrench in there. But anyways, just a little something to say thanks, and I'm sincere about it. Not gonna try and get likes and subscribers. So if you want, head over there and try and win. It'll be fun. Yeah.